the distance, but we rise up strong with persistence. Babylon try hold down the young and poor, but the spirit of freedom is knocking at the door. Every man born with a right to be free, no matter your color or your history. Open your eyes, let the truth unfold. We're more than silver, more than gold. So many tears we've been crying, so many youths still dying, but love is a fire that keeps on burning. One day every heart will be learning. Sing your redemption song, let it carry you when nights feel long. Lift your voice and stand strong, cause love is the key and the chains are gone. Oh yes, sing your redemption song. Freedom belongs to everyone. Leaders with suit and tie keep talking, but the people tired of the promises they're walking. Mama work hard just to feed the youth them, but the system never ever wanna help them. Still we rise with the power of the drum, from Africa straight to Kingston. Unity is strength, that's the truth we hold. Together we shine brighter than gold. So many lessons we're learning, every day the fire still burning. Hold your faith when the road feels long, and lift your voice in a righteous song. Sing your redemption song, let it carry you when nights feel long. Lift your voice and stand strong, cause love is the key and the chains are gone. Oh yes, sing your redemption song. Freedom belongs to everyone. Rise up, children of the sun. We are one people, we are one nation. No division, no separation. Love is the real liberation. Sing it loud for the future you. Sing it proud for the living true. Sing your redemption song. Free your mind and move along. Hold your head high, you belong to a world where love is always strong. Oh yes, sing your redemption song. This is your freedom song. Sing your redemption song, let it carry you when nights feel long. Lift your voice and stand strong, cause love is the key and the chains are gone. Oh yes, sing your redemption song. Freedom belongs to everyone. Sing your redemption song. Lift your voice and stand strong.